Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to transfer WhatsApp business chats from an older iPhone to your new iPhone. So how can you do that? First of all, go inside the settings and go inside your profile like the Apple ID or Apple account and scroll down and go inside the iCloud. Once you're inside the iCloud, so just click on save to iCloud option. Make sure to click on it and make sure that you have turned the iCloud drive on. If it is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Sync this iPhone, turn it on, scroll down, and once you have turned this on, just scroll down and turn on the WhatsApp business as well. Now once you have turned on both of these settings, just go inside back into the WhatsApp business, go inside the settings, scroll down, go inside the chats, and just click on chat backup. And once you click on chat backup, now currently did not turn on my iCloud. So once you turn it on, you can see this option, blue option, backup now. You can just click on this button, backup now. And once you click on backup now, like depending on the data or size of your business WhatsApp, it will sync all the data inside the iCloud. Once the data is synced to the iCloud, after that you can just log in this same Apple account inside your new iPhone, turn the iCloud on, install the WhatsApp, and it will automatically fetch the data. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.